वेलकम माय स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम इन निशात फिजिक्स क्लासेस। आज मैं क्लास 11 का एक टॉपिक है और हम डे टू डे लाइफ यू आर यूजिंग इन डे टू डे लाइफ ऑल्सो। ऑलवेज you push or pull something everyday life in the class, sometime pushing or pulling a chair or table. It happens. It is a part and parcel of our life, pushing and pulling generally. Now here question is, which one is easier, either pushing or pulling? It appears to mind that pushing is easier and pulling is little bit tough. So generally happen that we think that pushing is, generally it is a common mind that pushing is easier and pulling is tough. It is a great myth, and we are going to understand this great myth, that which one is easier, pushing or pulling, and if anyone is easier, then how? Before that, here I am going to put a concept of friction here. Here, suppose that first a concept of friction here, any object, and this is the applied force F, and this is the frictional force opposite direction small f. Applied force F and small is the frictional force. You know that mg in the downward direction, this is the weight, and opposite to that is the r, this is the normal reaction. You know that frictional force is directly proportional to the weight. Frictional force directly proportional to the weight, and weight equal to normal here reaction. So F proportional to r and F equal to mu r. This is the common concept about the friction. So small f is the frictional force, capital F is the applied force, mg is the weight, and r is the normal reaction. It is against the weight. So it is another matter to discuss. We are not going to discuss all things because we have idea about that. So F proportional to mg, F proportional to norm, because r equal to mg, so F proportional to r and F is equal to mu r. Mu is known as coefficient of friction, and many type of friction: static friction, limiting friction, kinetic friction, rolling friction. So that will change according to the circumstances. Sometimes mu is the static friction, sometimes mu is the rolling friction, sometimes mu is the kinetic friction, and sometimes mu is the limiting friction. Just consider here a cylindrical lawn roller like this. So this is the cross section. Suppose that if this is the lawn roller is like this here, so take this cross section area here, or cross section. So here this is the axle here. A force here pushing, a force F is applied. This is a force F. This lawn roller is pushed by a force capital F. And this is line of action of the force. This is the line of action of the force. Same line. If suppose that this is the horizontal component, and this angle is theta, then by the rectangular component h equal to how much? This is the F cos theta. And downward direction here F sin theta. So this force F, this pushing force F, by it is pushed, जिस force से हम push कर रहे हैं, that has two component, H equal to F cos theta, and that is the, and here horizontal F cos theta and vertical F sin theta. We know that force here two components, F cos theta and F sin theta. Weight, what is the direction of the weight? Always downward direction. So this is the weight mg. And F sin theta mg, against this is the normal reaction here, R. Then what is the R here? R equal to mg and plus f sine theta. If F is a small f is frictional force, opposite direction of the frictional force opposite to the pushing force. So F is equal to by this formula mu r. By this formula mu r. So here mu and r equal to, because r is just opposite to the mg and f sine theta. So mg sine theta plus mg and plus f sine theta. So very clear, mg is weight and of the lawn roller, and f is the applied pushing force, and f sine theta is the component in the downward direction. Now come to the against this pushing. How much frictional force in the pushing? So here again lawn roller, this is the here pulling force F. It is pulled like this. Pulled like this. Now here it has the horizontal component, same theta, and here H horizontal is equal to F cos theta. But component of F is not downward in this case. Here component of F is here upward, and this is F sin theta. Clear? So this F, because pulling F has two components, horizontal component F cos theta and vertical component F sin theta. We know that, my dear student, mg in the downward direction. Clear to everybody? Mg is the downward direction. Now here I want some space, fine. That is the here removing, that is the here at the end pulling. Then a normal reaction against weight. Normal reaction is always against the weight. So this is the normal reaction R. Then here now R plus F sin theta equal to mg. Now situation has been changed here because mg is balanced by both R plus F sin theta. So what is the R? mg minus F sin theta. Then definitely frictional force is equal to mu R and frictional force F is equal to mu and mg minus F sin theta. See this, my dear, here. In pulling a lawn roller, frictional force is mg minus F sin theta. Just to make a difference, here, just put a dash. In the case of pulling. In case of pushing, that is the mg plus F sin theta. So very clear, here in the mg plus F sin theta is added. Here in the mg, F sin theta is added, and here F sin theta is subtracted. So definitely F greater than F dash. Means frictional force acting in case of pushing is more than frictional force in case of pulling. So pulling has less friction and pushing has more friction. So that pulling is easier than pushing. Pulling result is, what is result? Pulling is easier than pushing. So hope things is very clear, because in the case of pushing frictional force is more, in case of pulling frictional force is less. So this, because frictional force is less, so pulling is easier than pushing. Hope things is clear to everybody. Okay, see you again.